In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add priority in Trello with our full 2025 guide. This process will allow you to better organize and manage your tasks, giving you the ability to focus on what's most important. So let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to locate the Power Up button, which you can find on your Trello board. Clicking this button will open up a world of possibilities in terms of functionality that you can add to Trello. These power-ups are essentially plugins designed to enhance your Trello experience. Next, go ahead and click on the option that says Add Power-ups. This will bring up a selection of tools and enhancements that you can integrate into your board to customize its features according to your needs. Once you're in the Power Up menu, it's time to search for a specific tool called the Card Priority Badge. This power-up will help you categorize tasks by priority, which is crucial for efficient project management and task organization. After locating the Card Priority Badge, click on the Add button. You'll typically find this button next to the Power-Up description, signaling that you are ready to integrate this tool into your Trello board. Once you've added the Power-Up, you'll want to click on Enable. This step ensures that the Card Priority Badge is active and can be used for setting priorities on your cards. Next, it's a good idea to close the menu so you can return to your board view. Doing this allows you to see the changes you've just made and prepare for the upcoming steps. With everything set up, it's time to interact with the feature. Click on the Priority Badge Power-Up, which should now be visible on your Trello board. This is where you start customizing your priority settings. Access the settings by clicking on the gear icon or the labeled settings option. Here you can customize the appearance and criteria for the priority levels to suit your project's needs. It's all about making the tool work for you. After adjusting your settings, don't forget to click on the Save button. This action ensures that all your preferences are appropriately applied and ready for use. Now you're ready to apply your new priority system. Start by clicking on a card within your Trello board. This card could be any task or project element that you want to categorize by priority. Upon selecting a card, you'll notice a new button for the priority badge next to the notifications. This convenient feature means priorities are now just a click away whenever you're managing your tasks. Finally, click on this new button and set a priority level for the chosen card. You can now assign levels like high, medium, or low priority, allowing for better focus and time management in handling your tasks. And there you have it. You've successfully added the ability to prioritize tasks within Trello. Leveraging this feature should make your task management more streamlined and efficient. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and guides.